very, very slippery surface down here. The reason I've always arrived a bit earlier on in Macclesfield, yeah, but it is a couple of feet out. I feel like that's secure, I'm not secure, but I've lost the fender. I thought I'd just pop out and check the ropes, and the boat is a bit crazy, but I don't know what to do. The wind is so strong. It's so strong it could easily pull the boat out. That's the worry. It would take like 3 of us to hold it back. In fact, I don't think we would. The problem I've got here, because there's a distance there, the boat is swinging and then swinging out, and when it hits the end, it's straight in. That happens too many times. The boat might snap. So, to save it banging about, I've got to get the boat in somehow. Now, I tried to secure it with this line, the centre line, and that didn't work. So, I'm going to try again. Quickest way to get the boat in is just to... I've got to be careful because this surface is like glass. I nearly slipped on it before getting off the boat. So just got to restrain the boat. That's all I'm trying to do. Just keep the boat in. Because the problem I've got, the force on the front of the boat was so strong that I won't be able to restrain it. Pulling the boat in, it's a strong boat. I'm just going to hold on with this one. As I say, my worry genuinely is if I loosen that front rope now, I think I'm not going to be able to pull it in. I won't have the strength to pull the boat in. So the idea is get this centre line as tight as I can possibly get it. That's it. Look at it. That's taut. There's enough slack. The boat's already swinging out. What a nuisance. You've got to secure your ropes before the blow starts, because once it starts, it's just impossible. So I'm doing a sort of a loop like this around here. I haven't even done the front rope yet. My fingers are freezing. But look, I mean I'll sort of hold it, but a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go for it, I think. So you can see how much slack there is, look. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to dive back in, and I'm just going to warm my fingers up before I do this. Try this front rope, because they need to be working properly to get this done. Third time. Fingers are warmed up. Let's do this. So, now this is a dodgy enough thing to do with this slippery surface here. Even without a camera, so I will not be able to kind of got a bit of a lull in with it now. So come on. Let's get this going. Picks up again. The knot's gone into a bit of a mess. Okay. Wind's getting up, so I'm just going to blow through. We're just going to get this thing. Sense that knot is not going to